Welcome to the Sombrero Speedway, amigos. So we are looking at trying to set up some kind of a rally course, and of course we're going to use the new AE Datsun 620 truck, and it's off the Apex 2 chassis, and we decided to do our own rally conversion to it. So we got a new body, Evel Knievel-esque, kind of a rally rocket kind of look. We got the rally tires from the Apex 2 kit, and we wanted to see how it went and how it worked. Now, I think this is going to be a fun endeavor for us. So we're just going to keep on practicing, trying some new things, some track layouts. I made these barriers with stickers and whatnot to see if they would work well, and I think they are. I think it's going to look pretty awesome by the time we figure it out. I think I'm going to take some of those old jumps out of the way. You'll see what I'm talking about, and hope you enjoy this one. I'll check in back in a little bit. So we started planning this before the Apex 2 Rally Conversion Kit was even a thing. I wish I would have started a little bit earlier, but hey, you know, the weather has been kind of frightful, as they say. It's been a little wet. It was super wet here. By the end of the time we were running, the inside was just caked with dirt and mud. Oh man, this was such a cool truck to rip around. Now, I would say that taller shocks would help out. That's a given, and the new conversion kit actually has the chassis kind of chamfered a little bit, so it allows the A-arms to swing a little bit more. And I would actually think that this car needs just a touch more power. It's really good how it is, but I think we have a phaser that also has we also converted over. We haven't really ran that one yet either. It has a body on it. I just put it on as a placeholder. You'll see that in the future. Maybe when it dries up a little bit, but I think the phaser might be just a touch faster than this one. But I think at the end of the day, what I'll do is I'll probably pick up two matching motors, and then we can rip them in the backyard here. But all in all, this thing has been awesome. I can't wait to really let it rip. Might do a little bit more soon. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. And I can't wait to see you on the next one.